Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we'll talk about 8 of the most common back office processes that are suitable for automation. The very first process is invoice processing. Operation for most finance departments relates back to overall functionality of the companies. Now, one of the challenges faced is invoice processing often carries many challenges including disparate formats in which vendors can submit the invoices. Now it can be paper, copy, email, fax, PDF, MS Word, Doc, etc. This forces finance analysts to manually transfer data from various sources into unified financial database system the company uses, therefore making it time-consuming and error-prone task. The solution is RPA can be set up to automatically process invoices upon receipt whether they arrive electronically or on paper. The software robots can automate the data input, error reconciliation, and even process certain decision making required through invoice processing, which minimizes the need for human intervention. It also won't ever lose track of a form or make a calculation error, reducing the time needed for exception handling. Second is sales order. Sales order operations are a crucial part of any business. It includes tasks like data entry into CRM systems, ERP accounting updates, etc. The challenge here is ensuring data consistency across enterprise system has never been an easy task. Sales reps often need to spend significant amount of time entering data to CRM system as well as ERP system, and perhaps even a third or fourth proprietary application that connects in between. Then finance and accounting analysts would potentially have to replicate the data and enter into another system or module. These types of processes clearly generate opportunities for data duplication, errors, and hinder staff productivity. Here, software robots could perfectly perform the sales operational activities from end to end, automating tasks such as sales order, entry, invoicing, etc. It will help maintain a clean database, improve customer experience, and of course, increase your sales employee satisfaction by removing all the time consuming tasks that were taking away precious time from their main goal, that is, prospecting and generating more business. Third is account reconciliation. Reconciliation is a key responsibility of accounting department where records and balances are verified for accuracy by comparing different sets of documents from varied format and sources. The challenge is reconciliation might be one of the most boring yet important tasks that the accounting department needs to do, as the process can be tedious and sometimes heavily manual, but it is key to secure reliability of the records. RPA bots can automate the process of data extraction from various sources of documentation, such as bank statements or bills, increasing the chance for accuracy in comparison when finding and approving matching orders. Software robots can also reconcile purchase order with delivery notes, which ensure compatibility of orders and deliveries. Fourth is ERP data entry. ERP journal entries are one of the most common processes back office staff spend the majority of their day doing. No matter if you are a business analyst in finance and accounting, HR or supply chain, chances are there's a good portion of your day spent in entering data into enterprise resource planning system like Oracle, SAP, NetSuite, or MS Dynamics. Now we have a challenge. Data entry to ERP systems are often time consuming and error prone. Analysts need to gather data from multiple sources and applications and update the ERP workflow. If data is entered incorrectly, it might cause serious problems that leads to a ripple effect. The solution is with RPA, organizations can automate entire workflow of ERP data entries, from data gathering to logging, updating processes, and validating data. It can maximize productivity by reducing transition times from hours to minutes, freeing up valuable time for analysts to focus on strategic work. It will also minimize errors and maintain clean and organized data for better business intelligence and compliance results. Fifth is system queries. Data across multiple portals and applications is a common process that employees have to perform to gather data for a specific transaction. The challenge is the process for system queries is often manual process that analysts have to do when compiling data for specific transactions, as organizations tend to maintain variety of data housing systems from commercial enterprise applications to legacy custom developed applications that can be cloud based or on premise. These applications would usually lack integration with another making it very time-consuming process for your staff to complete. And with RPA, when automated, RPA would provide a smooth data integration between the information portals as software robots can be used to link all your applications and provide staff rapid access to gather data. It can also be used to provide provision data from servers such as SQL database by executing query to extract data and write it out into the output panel. The sixth is payroll. HR department is responsible for tasks that are usually time consuming, repetitive, and highly reliant on manual driven processes. Payroll is one of those processes that are rule based and repetitive. It also requires large volume of data entry efforts. The challenge is payroll faces many challenges related to standardization of processes due to local statutory and compliance requirements. It is also bound to data inaccuracy issues that can cause delays in payment and employee satisfaction. RPA can verify employee data consistency across multiple systems, validate time records, load earning and deductions, run batch extracts, or even benchmark market data for new hires and terminations. It can also automate paycheck creations, administrative benefits, and reimbursements. Robots can take care of most payroll-related transactions from end to end to avoid inaccuracies and delays. Seventh is employee onboarding. The process of onboarding and setting up new hire is labor-intensive for HR and IT analysts. It includes an array of transactions such as creation of new user accounts, email addresses, profile creation, access rights, mailing lists, IT equipment requests, and not to mention training and induction scheduling. The challenge here is with plethora of activities involved in employee onboarding processes involving diverse systems and parties to orchestrate a smooth onboarding. Process can be extremely time consuming and can often lead to delays for new hire to be 100% occupied from day one, hence reducing productivity and ROI of overhead expenses. Now, with rule-based and repetitive nature of employee onboarding activities, it is a prime candidate for RPA to automatically trigger a pre-structured onboarding workflow once a new user account is created. Rules and triggers can be assigned to profile of the new hire to support robots to take action. The last use case of the day is user termination. Exit management involves a variety of activities to ensure that existing employees' access are properly removed and their entire know-how and data trail optimized and safely stored. This requires IT and HR to go through multiple systems to deactivate credentials and gather termination records in the system. Just as onboarding, employee exit management also requires multiple parties and systems to come together and perform necessary activities to ensure that the exit process is consistent and error-free to avoid audit flags or security leaks. But as is the case of other manual processes, errors cannot be ruled out. Here, the solution is organizations can implement RPA to ensure an organized existing and provisioning process by automating activities such as ERP user termination, consolidate existing employees' input, and feed to downstream systems, perform exit surveys, produce exit records, send out notifications to relevant stakeholders, and process final payments.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for a free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.